Here's a little extra honor support to the Tumbler Ridge victims, and just condolences to the family. So just prayers and stuff like that to the survivors and to the lost as well. You know, God bless. Hope they're in a better place, but still, like, such young lives were taken. Anyways, I got some here mix up trains and yeah, some oldie rare picture I had to share because I thought it was neat too. So, anyways, prayers to the lost.